Hello viewers, if you are a student then this video is going to be helpful for you. In this video I will talk some of the best tablets that a student can buy. I will talk about tablets of different pricing. The first tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy A9. If you have a tight budget of 10,000 rupees and you want to buy a Samsung tablet, in that case you can consider this tablet. However, there are many tablets compared to this tablet that will be very good, but if you want a Samsung tablet, in that case you can consider this tablet. Next, if you have a budget of 20,000 rupees, then there are three options in this budget. The first tablet that you can buy is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE that will cost around 20,000 rupees during offers. The second tablet is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus that will cost around 13 to 14,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version and 128GB and 8GB RAM version. The third tablet that you can buy is Mi Pad 6. It comes with very good processor. However, under 20,000 rupees you will get the 128GB version. This tablet has everything. It has pen support, plus you can edit your videos and note taking experience is also there. Next, if you have a budget of 30,000 rupees, then there are many options in this budget, but I would recommend three tablets under 30,000 rupees. The first tablet that you can buy is iPad 10th generation. It comes with 10.9 inches display and A14 Bionic chipset. It is a all-round performing tablet. The only downside of this tablet is 64GB of internal storage. The second tablet under 30,000 price bracket is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Normally the price of this tablet is on the higher side, but during offers like Big Billion Days sale, this tablet was selling at 22,000 rupees, but you can expect the pricing at around 26 to 28,000 rupees during normal sale. The third tablet that you can buy under 30,000 rupees is Oneplus Pad. 12GB RAM and 256GB storage will be available at around 24 to 25,000 rupees during offers. Now, if you have an increased budget of 40,000 rupees, in that case you can buy iPad Air 5th generation 64GB version at around 41,000 rupees during offers. And if you want to buy an high-end tablet in the Android market, in that case you can consider OnePlus Pad 2. Actually, OnePlus Pad 2 comes with latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, so you will have a great experience using this tablet. After that, if you have a budget of 50,000 rupees, in that case you can consider either Samsung tablets or you can consider iPad. In the Samsung tablet you can buy Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, or if you want to buy iPad, in that case you can consider iPad Air M2. If you are a student and you want to buy a tablet for all-round performance, then you can consider either iPad 10th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus or OnePlus Pad or Mi Pad 6. These are the four tablets that are the best value for money propositions for a student's perspective. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you actually want to buy. And if you want to know about the latest offers on tablets and smartphones, you can subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss out any video whenever I upload any offer video. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.